Crash course on West Virginia, USA. Geolocation. West Virginia is located in the Appalachian region of the United States. It is bordered by the states of Ohio, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, Kentucky, and the District of Columbia. Capital. The capital of West Virginia is Charleston, which is also its largest city. Population. As of 2021, the estimated population of West Virginia is approximately 1.8 million residents, making it the 38th most populous state in the United States. Economy. West Virginia's economy has traditionally relied on industries such as coal mining, timber, and manufacturing. In recent years, the state has been diversifying its economy, with growth in sectors like healthcare, education, tourism, and technology. Education. West Virginia has several higher education institutions, including West Virginia University and Marshall University. The state places importance on education and is continually working to improve its educational system. Brief history. West Virginia became a state in 1863 during the American Civil War. It was originally part of Virginia but seceded from the state due to disagreements over slavery. The state has a rich history of coal mining, labor movements, and cultural heritage. Cultures and politics. West Virginia has a diverse cultural heritage influenced by Appalachian traditions and a mix of ethnicities. The state is known for its music, arts and crafts, festivals, and strong sense of community. Politically, West Virginia has historically leaned towards conservative values. Interesting stories, examples. 1. New River Gorge Bridge. The New River Gorge Bridge is an iconic steel arch bridge that spans the New River Gorge in Fayetteville. It is one of the longest single-span arch bridges in the world and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding gorge. 2. Harpers Ferry National Historical Park. Harpers Ferry is a historic town situated at the confluence of the Potomac and Shenandoah rivers. It played a significant role in American history, including John Brown's raid and the Civil War. Visitors can explore the historic sites and enjoy outdoor activities. 3. Seneca Rocks. Seneca Rocks is a prominent rock formation located in the Monongahela National Forest. It is a popular destination for rock climbers and hikers, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Top 12 attractions in West Virginia. 1. New River Gorge National Park and Preserve. 2. Blackwater Falls State Park. 3. Seneca Rocks. 4. Harpers Ferry National Historical Park. 5. Snowshoe Mountain Resort. 6. The Greenbrier Resort. 7. Cass Scenic Railroad State Park. 8. West Virginia State Museum. 9. Trans-Allegheny Lunatic Asylum. 10. Cranberry Glades Botanical Area. 11. Babcock State Park. 12. Berkeley Springs State Park. In summary, West Virginia is a state known for its natural beauty, rich history, and strong sense of community. From breathtaking landscapes to historic sites, it offers a range of attractions for visitors to explore and enjoy. Poem. In the heart of Appalachia, a land so grand. West Virginia's beauty, across the land. From New River's Gorge to Seneca's Heights. A tapestry of nature, a paradise of sights. Harpers Ferry's history, echoes from the past. Where the rivers meet, memories cast. Blackwater Falls, a waterfall's embrace. A symphony of nature, in a tranquil space. From snowshoe slopes to Cass's rail. Adventure awaits, without fail. The Greenbrier's elegance, a touch of grace. In West Virginia's embrace, find a tranquil place. Chorus. Oh, West Virginia, your spirit runs deep. From mountains to valleys, secrets you keep. In every corner, a story to tell. In your rugged beauty, hearts will dwell. The Trans-Allegheny Lunatic Asylum, whispers of the past. While Cranberry Glades, a botanical contrast. Babcock's Mill, a rustic charm. And Berkeley Springs, healing balm. Chorus. Oh, West Virginia, your spirit runs deep. From mountains to valleys, secrets you keep. In every corner, a story to tell. In your rugged beauty, hearts will dwell. So let us explore this treasure trove. West Virginia's wonders, our hearts shall rove. From peaks to rivers, and histories hold. In West Virginia's embrace, stories unfold. Ending note. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.